Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 3 power 2x is equals to 25, 5 power 2 by y is equals to 27, and we have to find the value of 3 power x by y, where our x and y can't be equals to 0. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm taking this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So first we are going to solve the equation number 1. So we can write 3 power 2x is equals to 25. We can write it as 5 power 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides in power by 2. So we can write this as 3 power x is equals to 5. Now comes to equation number 2. Here we can write this as 5 power 2 by y is equals to 27 is 3 cube. Now again I'm going to divide with 2 in power both sides. So 5 power 1 by y is equals to 3 power 3 by 2. Now we have to evaluate 3 power x by y. So 3 power x by y, we can write this as 3 power x times 1 by y, or according to exponent rule, x power m, and we can write it as x power m power n. So we can write this as 3 power x power 1 by y. Now 3 power x is equals to 5. So we can replace this 5 power 1 by y. And 5 power 1 by y is equals to minus 3 power 3 by 2. So the value of 3 power x by y is 3 power 3 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.